esteemed guests, faculty members, and dear students. Welcome to the grand inauguration of the KIST Fair 2081. Today we celebrate the spirit of innovation, creativity, and excellence in science, IT, management, and art and craft. I'm your host, Shrisa Mohat, for this event. To begin this special occasion, I would like to introduce and welcome our distinguished chief guest, Professor Dr. Sushil Bahadur Bajracharya, Dean of Institute of Engineering, Pulchok, Lalitpur. Thank you so much for gracing us with your presence. We are also honored to have the esteemed members of the KIST Advisory Board with us today. We have CEO, Mr. Umesh Thapa. We have the Director, Mr. Dr. Dambar Singh Iyer. We have our Principal, Mr. Samir Sharma. A very warm welcome to all of you. Next, I would like to extend a warm welcome to the dedicated coordinators of the various categories. We have the coordinator of the BIT and MIT, Mr. Deepak Kharka, who is also the head of admission and student service. We have Mr. Navin Adhikari, who is the coordinator of the BBA and BIM department. We have Mr. Kalyan Subedi, the coordinator of the BSc and MSc. We have Mr. Chiranjeevi Rizal, coordinator of BBS and MBS. We have Mr. Tribendra Timsena, who is the coordinator of the Plus 2 Science department.
Hello,
We have Mr. Basanta Blon, who is the assistant coordinator of the Plus 2 Management. Before we proceed further, let us all rise and pay respect by singing the national anthem. Thank you so much. Now to officially welcome you all and present the program highlights, it's my honor to invite our esteemed principal, Mr. Samir Sharma, to deliver the welcome speech.
Good morning, esteemed chief guest, Professor Dr. Sushil Bahadur Bajracharya, CEO of the college, Mr. Umesh Thapa, Dr. Dambar Singh, our director, representative and principal of different participating institutions, respected faculty, staff, dear students, and participants. It is with great pride and enthusiasm that I welcome you all to the KIST Fair 2081, organized by KIST College and Secondary School. This event is a celebration of innovation, creativity, and academic excellence, and we are all honored to host such a distinguished gathering of bright minds from across the region. First and foremost, I would like to extend my heartfelt gratitude to our chief guests, judges, and participants from various colleges and schools. Your presence here today is a testament of your unwavering commitment to learning, innovation, and collaboration, and we are privileged to have you all with us. Since its establishment in 1995, KIST College and Secondary School has been steadfast in its commitment to providing high-quality education and fostering an environment where students can thrive both academically and personally. Guided by our motto, commitment to excellence, our vision is to be a center of academic excellence that nurtures future leaders and innovators. Our mission is to provide quality education, foster critical thinking, and empower students to contribute meaningfully to the society. This fair is a reflection of these values, and it provides a platform for students to showcase the talent, exchange ideas, and push boundaries of knowledge in science, technology, and management. This fair has a rich history of fostering academic excellence and innovation. Over the years, it has grown into a prestigious event that attracts participants from numerous institutions, showcasing a wide array of projects and research. This fair has consistently provided a platform for students to demonstrate their skills, creativity, and knowledge, while also encouraging collaboration and exchange of ideas. It has become a cornerstone event that highlights the importance of practical education and the application of theoretical knowledge to real-world challenges. In today's rapidly evolving world, technology plays a pivotal role in education. It has transformed the way we teach and learn, making education more accessible, interactive, and engaging. From online learning platforms to virtual classroom to advanced research tools and education software, technology has opened up new avenues for students to explore and excel. This fair is not merely a competition. It is an opportunity for collaboration, learning, and growth. It allows students to apply their classroom knowledge to real-world challenges, think critically, and innovate. I am confident that the projects, presentation, and discussion we will witness today will inspire us all and demonstrate the incredible potential of our young minds. Furthermore, this also provides a collaboration between institutions, which is essential for advancement of science and technology. This fair provides an excellent opportunity for institutions to build partnership, exchange ideas, and inspire each other to achieve greater heights. I would also like to take a moment to acknowledge the hard work and dedication of organizing committee, faculty members, students who have worked tirelessly to make this event successful. Your efforts have created a platform where innovation and excellence can thrive. For that, we are deeply grateful. To all the participants, I encourage you to make the most of this opportunity. Engage with your peers, learn from experts, and let your ideas shine. Remember, every great achievement begins with a single step, and today is your chance to take that step forward. Before I conclude, I invite everyone to explore the various exhibits, presentation, and competition that have been meticulously prepared for today's event. Let us celebrate the spirit of innovation and collaboration that defines this event and aligns with the core value of Christ College and Secondary School. Once again, I extend my warmest welcome to you all. May this fair be a resounding success, and may it inspire all of us to strive for excellence in everything we do. Let us embrace the spirit of innovation, collaboration, and learning that defines this event. Together, we can achieve great things and make a positive impact to the world. Thank you. Thank you very much.
Thank you so much for the valuable words, sir. Now, to officially mark the beginning of the KIST Fair 2081, I invite our Honorable Chief Guest, Professor Dr. Sushil Bahadur Bajracharya, to inaugurate the event by lighting the ceremonial lamp. Auspicious beginning. Next, we have the release of our official newsletter, The Fair Souvenir. I request our Chief Guest, CEO and Principal Sir to do the honors. Thank you so much. Now, it is my privilege to invite our esteemed chief guest, Professor Dr. Sushil Bahadur Bajracharya, to share his thoughts and formally inaugurate the event.
Thank you, our MC. I'm very happy to be here in this auspicious occasion in the KIST Fair. I thank the Management Committee of KIST College to invite in this opening ceremony. So very happy because I was here nearly 25 years back when Kathmandu Engineering College, one of the affiliated colleges of Institute of Engineering IOE, was started. Kathmandu Engineering College in this premises. At that time, I took the first class in architecture, bachelor level, in Kathmandu Engineering College, and also I came many times in this premises to see the development of Kathmandu Engineering College, and at that time KIST College, Kathmandu Engineering College, located in this premises. So I know this area, this spaces, this courtyard very much. But today I have opportunity to be here in this auspicious occasion. First of all, I congratulate the students of KIST College and organizer of this event in this college. I see many students over there in the different stall. They are showing their talent, their ability, their works in the classroom and works outside the classroom. So this fair is very, very important to our students, our parents, our faculties, and other. This fair is very, very important, not only the faculties and students, also for the new coming students, those who wanted to study in KIST College, those who wanted to study 10+2 and higher education in Nepal. So I came from the Institute of Engineering as a dean. I also like to invite all the students, all the participants of KIST College in coming week on 28, 29 and 30 of March in Institute of Engineering Kulcho campus. Chemical engineering students, the Organization of Chemical Engineering, SWOCH, Society of Chemical Engineering, they are also going to organize InnoChem 25 in coming week on 28, 29 and 30. I wanted to invite all the students, all the teachers to see this InnoChem 25, because those students in KIST College who wanted to study, further study in IOE and different engineering discipline, they can see the students' work of the engineering, especially the chemical engineering and other engineering discipline. So I also wanted to introduce Institute of Engineering among all the participants and the students, because nowadays we heard here and that all the students, Nepalese students going abroad to study in different discipline in engineering also. I gave many interviews in the media why students do not like to study in Nepal in engineering. So I wanted to introduce Institute of Engineering to our future students of KIST. That Institute of Engineering is one of the pioneers in engineering education in Nepal. It was established nearly 90 years back as a trade school. Later in 1972, we were established as an Institute of Engineering, IOE, under Tribhuvan University. Now, Institute of Engineering has 15 campus colleges, not only in Kathmandu Valley, outside the Kathmandu Valley, in Purvanchal campus in Dharan, in Chitwan, in Pokhara as Western Engineering campus, and we have 12 bachelor program in civil engineering, architecture, electrical, electronics, chemical, aerospace, geomatics, etc., etc. You can see in website. Why I am telling this? Because those students who are studying in 10+2, many of them do not know what you can study, in which discipline you can study in Nepal, in Institute of Engineering. So I am telling for the future students. Maybe I am advertising also. So we have 12 disciplines in bachelor level and 36 disciplines in master's level. We are teaching different special courses in Nepal also, in Institute of Engineering. That is rock and tunnel engineering in master's level. We are teaching chemical engineering. We are teaching the aerospace engineering in Nepal from last 5 years. So those who student wants to study in Nepal, please visit our IOE website, ioe.edu.np. So, and lastly, I wanted to say this fair will be very, very fruitful, not only to our teachers. I already said, this fair you should do every year and invite many school students, newcomer students, new generation to show your capability, what you have done in your KIST college, what you can do, and what is the perspective, what will the future of this fair, which discipline, what is the discipline of the best +2 science, +2 in different discipline. So I hope this fair will be very, very enjoyable, very, very fruitful. Please enjoy these 3 days and this fair. Thank you very much.
Thank you so much, sir, for your invaluable words. Now we are honored to have the director, Dr. Krishna Chandra Paudel, with us today. Now, as a token of appreciation, we now present a token of love to our chief guest. I request our CEO, Mr. Umesh Thapa, and Principal, Mr. Samir Sarma, to kindly present it. Lastly, let me highlight the competitions that has been taking place today. We have Inter-College Management and IT Project Competition, Inter-School College Science Tech Project Competition, Inter-School Art and Craft Competition, Intra-College Science Tech Competition, Intra-College IT Project Competition, Intra-College Management Project Competition, Intra-College Imagineering Competition, and we have KIST FIFA competition also. With the formal inauguration completion, we now invite our chief guest and other dignitaries to visit the exhibition stalls and witness the exceptional projects and exhibits presented by our talented participants. Thank you.
रिजल्टलाई चाहिँ पहिला सुरु यहाँबाट चाहिँ अब सब्मिट भयो तर जताभावी जसले नि गर्नु मिल्दैन पाउने नि त त्यसैले हरेक कुरालाई चाहिँ एक्सेप्ट गर्नु मिलेन त्यसैले चाहिँ हामीले एडमिट मोडलबाट यसो गर्नुपर्ने हुन्छ यहाँ आउँछ होइन अब प्रोग्रेसहरू आउँछ नि त एडमिटले चाहिँ यतिसम्म भयो भनेर फोटो खिचेर यहाँ हाल्दै भने चाहिँ फोटोहरू पनि आउने भयो कि यतिसम्म हालेर चाहिँ यतिसम्म हालेर ल हेर्न नै मिल्यो आफूले केही कम्प्लेन गरेछ भने कम्प्लेन आफूले कम्प्लेन गरेको
पनि देखे मैले गोरी पनि देखे मैले भए भर्की गाउँ घरकी छोरी देखे तर यो आज मैले के देखे ससुराकी छोरी पाँच छोरी देखे ससुराकी छोरी पाँच छोरी देखे
काले पानी देखे मैले गोरी पानी देखे मैले भए घरको गाउँ घरको छोरा देखे तर यो आज मैले के देखे भए घरको बेकारी यही देखे तर यो आज मैले के देखे भए घरको बेकारी यही देखे
लाग्यो भर दिउँ कि भने जस्तो घर भएको भर दिउँ कि हेर बहिनी लड्न लाग्यो भर दिउँ कि भने जस्तो घर भएको भर दिउँ कि
चाउताई हेरियाउ मुख ऐनामा चाउताई हेरियाउ मुख ऐनामा मुख जस्तो अनुहारले पाइन राजे केटी पाइन
पनि देखे मैले गोरी पनि देखे मैले भए भर्की गाउँ घरकी छोरी देखे तर यो आज मैले के देखे ससुराकी छोरी पाँच छोरी देखे
तर यो आज मैले के देखे भए घरको बेकारी यही देखे
बसता चला मैं जहाँ ले चला मुझे रसता बूंदों पे नहीं गहरे समंदर पे ओ इलाही मेरा जी इलाही मेरा जी आए इलाही मेरा
नाच्नुपर्छ है कहाँ होला घर बाह्र कहाँ होला घर बाह्र कहाँ होला गाउँ कहाँ होला घर बाह्र कहाँ होला गाउँ चिठी लेखी पठाउला है के हो तिम्रो नाउँ चिठी लेखी पठाउला है के हो तिम्रो नाउँ कहाँ होला घर बाह्र कहाँ होला गाउँ हिमाचली पल्लोपट्टि छ्याङछ्याङ गर्ने खोला हिमाचली पल्लोपट्टि छ्याङछ्याङ गर्ने खोला लुकी चोरी लाउँछु माया बिल्ती नभुल्नु होला लुकी चोरी लाउँछु माया बिल्ती नभुल्नु होला हिमाचली पल्लोपट्टि छ्याङछ्याङ गर्ने खोला कहाँ होला घर बाह्र कहाँ होला गाउँ कहाँ होला घर बाह्र कहाँ होला गाउँ सबैजनाले त गीतको नाम चाहिँ निर त है त आँखामै हेर्न नसके नि फर्की फर्की हेर्दिन है त Sunning in the setting sun like a ball upon the ocean. Come and heal me, oh heal me. जरा सा यादों में बसा जरा सा ख्वाबों में सजा तो जरा सा अपना ले बना मेरी ज़ाबे बना फिदा हूँ तुझमें मेरी ज़ाबे बना
cinta namanya Maya sare aku cukari Maya sare aku cukari Maya pinjam
मसित मनको साइनो जोडी छु मसित जोडी काट्छु भन्थ्यौ नि मसित मनको साइनो जोडी छु मसित
Once again, good afternoon everyone. So we are going to officially start the closing ceremony of one of the biggest event of our college, that is KIST Fair 2081. As we have been doing this program on a yearly basis, this program not only reflects a normal program, it reflects the platform where our student can show creativity on the different categories. We had science projects, we had IT projects, we had management projects, and on the other side some of the students were organizing FIFA tournament, whereas some are keeping up the food stalls and some are going along with the product stall. In overall, today was a big day for KIST College and it was a successful day. But to remark this success, any program is not completed without a formal ending session, and I would like to introduce the dignitaries present in the stage today for the official ending of KIST Fair 2081. First and foremost, I would like to request our chief guest for the chairing session, Professor Dr. Bhim Prasad Subedi, former chairman UGC, our respected principal. Talking about Professor Dr. Subedi sir, he had been a former chairman in UGC, United Grant Commission. Also, I would like you to acknowledge the presence of our respected principal sir, Mr. Samir Sharma, our plus 2 science coordinator sir, Tibendra Timsina sir, our plus 2 management coordinator sir, Basanta Blon sir, BBA BIM coordinator sir, Mr. Navin Adhikari sir, BBS MBS coordinator sir, Mr. Chiranjeevi sir, and our BSc MSc coordinator, Mr. Kalyan Subedi sir, and me myself, BIT coordinator Deepak. Now going along with the program, I would like to request we want to make it short because many students were asking permissions to go home. So we really want to make it short. Now all I need is a full coordination from the audience side, and I am pretty much sure our students will give us that support. So I would like to call on the stage our chief guest, Professor Dr. Bhim Prasad Subedi sir, for his remarks regarding this kind of program and some wisdom words to our dear student for both intra-participating and inter-participating events. Professor Dr. Bhim Subedi sir, please. Thank you, Professor Dr. Bhim sir, for such a remarkable and wise words for our dear students. Now, as we move forward, now we will be presenting tokens and awards to all the categories and all the participants present here. The token or award distribution ceremony will be initiated by providing token of love to all the participating schools in art and craft category. So I would like to request a representative from the school to come on the stage after their respective school or college name is called. So right now what we are going to distribute is, we are going to distribute token of love for the schools which participated in art and craft category, inter-college art and craft competition category in KIST Fair 2081. So if there is no any moderator or teacher, then students can also represent their schools So first of all, I would like to call on stage Ambition Academy to receive the token of love for participating in inter-school art and craft competition. Ambition Academy. And to distribute the token, I would like to request Professor Dr. Bhim Prasad Subedi sir and our principal sir, Samir sir. Please, ताली बजाउन लोभ नगरौँ. ताली बजाएर बज्दैन, बजायो भने चाहिँ बज्छ. Secondly, we would like to request representative from Chahari Shiksha Sadan. Chahari Shiksha Sadan. East Pole Secondary School. Euro School Chhauni. Kathmandu Columbus School. Kathmandu Columbus School. Om Gyan Mandir Secondary School. I would like jatina students are recipients or token लिन आउनु राख्नु भएको छ. उ त्यो ब्लू स्टेयरकेस बाट आइदिनु होला है. थ्यांक यू. रितम्बरा पाठशाला. Sorry, Om Gyan Mandir Secondary School and Ritambara Pathshala. Triyog High School. Triyog High School. And Ulands School. Ulands. स्टुडेन्टहरु आउनु भए पनि हुन्छ है. Teacher or student, anyone? Okay, I think we are. Ripu Mardini Sainik Mahavidyalay. Ripu Mardini को कोई representative आइदिनु होला. Supreme International School and Supreme International School. Supreme International School. Now, moving on forward, we would like to continue with the token of love for those colleges or schools who participated in Inter-College SciTech or Inter-College Management and IT. I would like to call representative from East Pole Secondary School. James School. James. Himalayan White House International College. Kathmandu Columbus School. Kathmandu Columbus School and Kathmandu Model College. And Kathmandu Model College. Kist College and SS. Mid Valley College. Nami International School. New Summit College. New Summit College and Ripumadini Sainik Mahavidyalaya. Southwestern State College. St. Xavier College. Texas International College. Ripumadini Sainik Mahavidyalaya, Southwestern State College, St. Xavier College, Texas International College, Trinity International College, Trinity International College, Triton College and SS. Sorry, Triton SSN College. Triog High School. Ulands School. Uniglobe Secondary School. Urbana School of Science. Uniglobe, Urbana School of Science, V.S. Niketan Secondary School. V.S. Niketan Secondary School and last one, Xavier International College. Now we are going to move forward to the winners prize distribution section. So today we had different categories, but I would like to start with the category of inter-school art and craft competition. I will give you a small idea of the event. The event was segregated into three categories. One was craft category, one was painting category, and one was sketch category. Now, I would like to call the name of the student. We will first start with craft category, and I would like to call the name of the student who stood out third position in craft category, Jius Gurung from Ambition Academy. And please come on the stage, and I would like to again request our chief guest, Professor Dr. Brim Prasad Subedi, and Principal Sir, and the coordinators present in the dais to present the award to the winning student. Jius Gurung, Ambition Academy, craft category. Now, second, in craft category, second student is Pratishta Awale from Kathmandu Columbus School. यदि स्टुडेन्ट हुनुहुन्न भने अरू कोही विद्यार्थीले त्यही इन्स्टिट्युटको अरू कोही विद्यार्थीले रिप्रेजेन्ट पनि गरिदिन सक्नुहुन्छ है थ्याङ्क यू एन्ड फाइनली क्राफ्ट क्याटेगोरीमा फर्स्ट हुन सफल भएको छ द craft was not developed by an individual student, it was a collaborative effort. So, as per their request, the first position in craft category is grade 8 students group work from Ullens School. And we do have mentor from Ullens School to receive the award. Congratulations, sir, and the whole. I would like to congratulate all 3 students and institute for receiving the award. Now we will be moving towards painting section. I would like to continue with the painting section. Third position in painting category, Alia Baral from Triog High School. Alia Baral from Triog High School. Student or representative? Okay, we do have a student. Please give them a warm round of applause. A warm clap from senior student might be a good inspiration for school students. Second individual in painting category is Samvidhan Samal Magar from Ambition Academy. We do have representative instead of student. Congratulations, sir, and congratulations to both institute and the students as well. And in painting category, in first position, Angela Tuladar from Euro School Chhaoni. Okay, we do have representative to receive the award. Congratulations. Now, craft done, painting done. Now we move forward to sketch section. Sketch. Third position, sketch category, Raisa Awale from Ullens School. Teacher or student? All right. While ma'am is on the stage, I would like to stop our ma'am from Ullens because Ullens has again gained second position in sketch category. Yashwe Manandar. And under sketch category, first position goes to Samriddhi Oli from Om Gyan Mandir Secondary School. And in inter-school art and craft category, we had another prize division as well, where we give award not to an individual but to the institute who stood out in all 3 categories, averaging the records of all 3 categories. In third position, we have Om Gyan Mandir Secondary School. This is trophy for the school. Om Gyan Mandir Secondary School. Second position, Ambition Academy, and we do have same person to receive the award. winning. Looking at craft painting and sketch, the first position goes to Ulan's school. Congratulations to all the winning institute and the individual. And an announcement has to be done. There is a cash prize related to inter-school art craft award as well, which we will inform later direct to the institute and the students. Thank you. Judging portion for whole art and craft event was done by Unisa Marzan, a professional in the field. Thank you. Now moving towards another category, we will go to inter-school college sci-tech project competition. There were many wonderful projects. We had around 28 different colleges competing for the inter-college sci-tech project competition, and third position has been, can you have a guess? I would like to invite the whole team, including moderator, to the stage of Trinity International College for the third position. Sci-tech project. Trinity had two submissions, management project and Sci-tech. Sci-tech project, please come on the stage to receive your third position accolades. Second position, inter-school college sci-tech project competition, belongs to Urbana School of Science. Urbana School of Science, please come on the stage. It would be really nice यता मेडल लाउँदै गर्दा उताबाट ताली सुन्न पाएको भए. And first position in inter-school sci-tech project competition goes to St. Xavier's College. Now we will be moving towards to inter-college management and IT project competition, for which I would like to again request our chief guest sir and our coordinator sir along with principal sir to remain on the standing position on the dais. Sorry to make you suffer. So inter-college management and IT project competition, third position goes to Trinity International College management team. IT, the team who was categorized under management and IT. the students are coming on the stage. SciTech competition was judged by Professor Dr. Meghraj Pokhrel and Dr. Rajendra Koirala. And management was judged by Dr. Prakash Gautam and Fulprasad Subedi. Art and craft was judged by Unishama Arjan ma'am. Imagineering and IT was judged by Professor Dr. Roshan Chitrakar, Dr. Sambidhan Acharya and Manju Bhattai. These, the name I mentioned just right now are the judging panel for all the categories. Thank you. Alright, let's give them a big round of applause and let's congratulate them in the win. Now, second position, Inter-College Management and IT Project Competition. Second position belongs to Nami International College. Sorry, Nami International School. Okay, we do have students from Nami. And we do have mentor as well. So I would like to request the mentor from Nami International School to receive the award, the trophy, the second position trophy. And first position, Inter-College Management and IT Project goes to Texas International College. Congratulations team from Texas International College. Congratulations team Texas. Now I would like to request our principal sir, Samir Sharma sir, to present token of love to our today's chief guest, Professor Dr. Bimprasad Subedi sir. Thank you sir for your time and for your wise words to our student. Now moving on to the award category, we just concluded inter-level competitions. Now we would like to move on to intra-college Imagineering competitions. Now, there are intra-college competitions were all the group competitions. So, let's not waste time. Let's go to the third position. The third position, I'll be calling out whole team member name. The third position belongs to Kajal Kerung, Deepika Rokaya, Kabirjang Tharu, Karun Kesi and Bikesh Prasad Rao. Please come on the stage. And I would like to request our respected coordinator Naveen Adhikari sir and Trivendra Timsina sir to provide the Imagineering Award to the Respect Award. I think it would be nice if you remain on the stage and click a group photo. Second position The group members of second position in intra-college Imagineering competition are Samiksha Pandey, Shriya Shrestha, Riya Karki, Raymond Marzan and Others Dambol. Please come on the stage. Congratulations to the whole team. ताली बजाउन हो केटाकेटी And the first position in intra-college Imagineering competition goes to Can you have a guess? The first position, intra-college Imagineering competition, Aryan Basnet, Samip Pathak, Sohan Shrestha, Animesh Mishra and Vikas Shrestha. Congratulations to all the team and congratulations to the first position team. And medal बाहिर निकाल्न न के कोड भित्र राख्छ But I would like to really state one thing. I would like to really admire Samip Pathak किनभने यो भाइले मलाई लास्ट इयर यही फेयरमा लास्ट डे हुँदा सर अर्को चोटी जितेर देखाउँछु भने उले जितेर Alright, now we will go to intra-college IT project competition. Third position in intra-college IT project competition. बोलाउनु भन्दा अगाडि यो अवार्ड दिनको लागि मैले नवीन अधिकारी सर र कल्याण सुवेदी सरलाई रिक्वेस्ट गरे र intra-college IT project competition third position winning team members are Manish Shrestha, Rahul GC and Nishan Tandukar. Alright, we will move on to second position. Second position in intra-college IT project competition goes to Satish Khadgi, Rajiv Shrestha, Aryan Kesi, Saksham Adhikari and Sudeep Rai. Now the first position, intra-college IT project competition. The winning members are Arman Ansari, Somi Karki and Amit Karel. I would like to request TT sir also to be. I would like to request TT sir also to stand on the stage for the photo. By the way, I really had to state one thing. Just in recent times, Arman did bug bounty hunting in Microsoft website where he found a critical issue and was awarded by Microsoft itself, which is a great achievement. And I guess the news had been on routine of Nepal Bandha all over Nepal. Now, I would like to move on to Intra-College Management Project Competition Award, for which I would like to request Chiranjeevi Rizal sir and Vasanta sir to come on the stage at the front. Intra-College Management Competition, Management Project Competition, third position goes to Anura Paudel, Rubina Rai and Rochak Mishra. Anura Paudel, Rubina Rai and Rochak Mishra. Second position, Intra-College Management Project Competition, goes to Suraksha Gautam, Asta Gautam, Shreya Joshi, Shweta Shah, Diksha Khadka. Now, the first position in Intra-College Management Project Competition. Intra-College Management Project Competition goes to Subeksha Munikar, Salina Sai, Sumitra Gajurel. Now with this, अब हामी यस पछाडि इन्ट्रा कलेज साइटेक प्रोजेक्ट कम्पिटिसनको लागि अगाडि बढ्छौँ, जसको लागि म पुनः एकचोटि हाम्रो दिवेन्द्र सर र कल्याण सुवेदी सरलाई अगाडि आउनलाई रिक्वेस्ट गरेँ। Intra College SciTech Project Competition, third position goes to Shiva Khanal, Aditya Rohita, Vijay Khadka, Aditya Fuyal and Ankit Chaudhary. Meanwhile, can please someone send DI sir over the stage? Kindra sir or Subhash sir, please. Now, second position, Intra-College SciTech Project, second position goes to Diya Thapa, Alisha Poon, Namin Bomjam and Durga Bastola. First position, Intra-College SciTech Project Competition, first position goes to एकैछिन गुरुङ ल फोटो खिच्नु बाँकी छ। Intra-College SciTech Project Competition, first winning team, project members are Sudeep Adhikari, Prakash Tamang, Milan Dital, Anupam Neupani and Sumit Jang Thapa. along with the creativity filled projects and innovation inspired projects, we also had been conducting, in collaboration with BIM students, we were conducting KIST FIFA tournament. जसको रिजल्ट मेरो हातमा छ. First of all, I would like to tell something about the competition. FIFA tournament was sponsored by Lava Gaming Zone, Kunyo Gears, Green Burger House and Cheshung Cafe and Sequa, and the gift hampers will be worth 5,000 for third position, 10,000 for second position and 12,000 for first position. अब यो अवार्ड दिनको लागि मैले एकचोटी पुनः नवीन अधिकारी सर र प्रिन्सिपल सर समीर शर्मा सरलाई रिक्वेस्ट गरे. Third position in FIFA tournament goes to Ishwar Dhakal. 5,000 बराबरको प्राइज उहाँले पाउनु भएको छ, along with the medal and certificate. Second position goes to Kavin Gamal. Prize worth 10,000 rupees. Kavin Gamal. And first position in FIFA tournament goes to Adarsha Bhattacharya. Congratulations to all the winners of FIFA tournament. So I would like to invite Mr. Kalyan Subedi, coordinator of BSc MSc, for his vote of thanks. Thank you.
Thank you, Deepak sir. A very warm good evening, everyone. Honorable guest, Professor Dr. Bhim Prasad Subedi, respected principal sirs, coordinators, faculties, and my dear students. It is an honor and privilege to stand before you today to deliver the vote of thanks for the KIST Fair 2081. This event has been a remarkable showcase of talent, creativity and innovations, and it would not have been possible without the collective efforts of many individuals. Thanks to KIST College for this 7th legacy of KIST Fair. We're continuing this KIST Fair also to first and foremost, I extend my heartfelt gratitude to Professor Dr. Bhim Prasad Subedi, former chairman UGC, University Grant Commission, our esteemed chief guest, for gracing this occasion with his presence and inspiring words. His support and encouragement mean a lot to us. A special thanks to KIST College for organizing this wonderful fair, providing a platform for the students to explore, experiment, and express their ideas. The hard work and dedication of the management team, coordinators, the faculty members have been instrumental in making this event a grand success. I also express my sincere appreciation to all the participants and exhibitors who have put the tremendous effort to present their innovative projects, creative exhibits, and thought-provoking ideas. Your enthusiasm and dedication truly made this fair a memorable one. A special note of appreciation goes to our respected panel of judges who dedicated the time and expertise to fairly evaluate the project. Your insightful feedback and encouragement have been invaluable in motivating our students to improve and innovate. I cannot forget the relentless effort of volunteers and organizing team who worked tirelessly behind the scenes to ensure that everything ran smoothly. Your commitment and teamwork are truly commendable. Lastly, a warm thank you to our wonderful audience, students and visitors. Your presence, curiosity and active participation have made this event lively and meaningful. Let's carry forward the knowledge and inspiration gained from this fair and continue striving for excellence in education, science and innovation. Once again, thank you all for your invaluable contribution. See you next year at KIST Fair 2082. Have a great day. And lastly, I would like to say that winners never give up and quitters never win. Thank you.